Good morning, everybody. It's Rene Illescas with Team Rene, and this is Market Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. I know that it's been a bit of a stressful, frustrating time with the whole COVID lockdown, and believe me, everybody's feeling it. So just hang in there. We're going to get through this. In terms of real estate, we've been getting asked recently quite a bit about has this lockdown affected us, or is it making things more difficult? The truth is, we're still doing things pretty similar to how we've been operating over the last year. So, real estate is still deemed essential. We're taking all the precautions that we need to, and we're helping clients stream through these properties and filter through them more effectively with certain virtual features like virtual tours. We're doing lots of e-signing, and we're just trying our best to make sure that when we do go out, we've streamlined the best properties that make the most sense so that we're not just going and seeing a bunch of homes that don't make sense. So real estate is still moving forward. If you have any questions about that, DM us directly. The second question we've been asked lately quite a bit is what's this whole new thing about the stress test, and what implications is it having now that there's a proposed stress test increase? So number one is it's proposed, so it's something that we haven't fully heard yet that is coming into effect. But if it does come into effect, it will be June 1st, and the stress test will increase from 4.79 to 5.25%. So this is going to start with the uninsured mortgages at first. And I'm no mortgage broker, but what I've been hearing from my colleagues is that they'll start with the uninsured mortgage, um, anyone who's putting 20% down or more, and then they're going to work into the insured mortgages. But in terms of an example that I've been told from our colleagues and the mortgage professionals is they're saying that the purchasing power might drop um, from 4 to 5%. So if we look at one example here, if you were qualified for approximately 1 million, now they're saying that you might qualify approximately 955. So it will have some effect for sure on some people. For more on this, though, I highly recommend that you speak to your mortgage broker or your bank. Again, they're the professionals. We're just trying to put some clients at ease in terms of what this may look like as of June 1st. And if you don't have a mortgage broker or you're not dealing with the bank, on the 26th at 12:45 p.m. on Instagram, we're going live with two amazing mortgage brokers that can speak on this incredibly. So I highly recommend that you come and check us out. Join us on Instagram Live on the 26th at 12:45. And if I was to give our opinion on what we think or how this stress test will impact the market, personally, we feel that it may impact mainly first-time home buyers or anybody who was already having a difficult time in this market with all the bidding wars and the overheated market. So anybody who was struggling may find this even a little bit more difficult. So we may see a bit of an influx prior to June 1st in people purchasing properties. The second part of my thoughts is anyone who has lots of equity and wasn't really struggling to get in the market, we feel that they're going to be okay. It is going to be a slight adjustment. Will it cool this market down tremendously? No, personally, I don't think so. And if you speak to other realtors and professionals, this is not enough to cool the market down. We still need more inventory, and there's other regulations that could be imposed in the market. But at this moment, real estate is going really well. Sellers are doing excellent. Buyers, just hang in there. We are seeing more inventory. So, as I've said in my previous videos, that the inventory is going up and days on market is going down. So, until the days on market last a little longer, then I feel that the buyers will have a better chance. So, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. This was Market Monday with Team Rene. If you have any questions, email us at info@teamrene.ca or just hit us up with a comment or two. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.